I say bananas, you say peppers. And I know I said this the other day, but you guys, I almost did not make it to Vlogoween today. I have been working on filming a shoe collection video, and I've been working on it all weekend, but it's taken like several hours out of each day to like get this certain collection of shoes. I probably told you guys already, I'm doing Crocs first because it's Croctober, but I thought it would kind of be like Crocs would be the easiest. It has still been a challenge. Some of them have nighttime features, so it's like I have to like film some of them during the day and then film them again at night, and it's been a lot. Plus, as I was filming it on Friday, that was the first day I started filming this, spooky Friday the 13th, you guys, I got glass in my toe. Is that a gross story? It definitely hurt a lot, but I was like filming and I didn't want to like stop filming, so yeah, it's been exciting filming this like collection video over the past couple of days, but hey, it's Vlogoween. The show must go on. So today, you guys, from the depths, that's a hard word to say, depths. Somebody told me last week I said pistachio weird. I wasn't aware that there was another way. So from the depths of the filming room closet, I found these. They're ones that we've never opened before. KidRobot dunnies. I'm gonna call these the Haunted Lighthouse dunnies. But they're in fact called Dark Harbor. So this is a sampling. They are kind of eerie, kind of spooky, and I feel like in new boxes of these like new cases, you don't get 24 anymore, but you guys, there's 12 boxes, and that's just the top row. So if you guys like these, there will be a part 2, but if y'all don't care, then maybe this will be the only video like this and y'all won't care about me opening the second shelf. But I thought 12 boxes would be enough of a challenge for us to get through today. So it says in a very piratey voice on the side of the box, "There be no going back. Dark Harbor, cursed it be." Oh look, I bet I was supposed to read that side first. Dark Harbor, cursed it be. There be no going back. Yes. Ew, I'm trying to determine who I would want the most, but there's so many that are so cute. Look at this, it's a little like skeleton in a raincoat. There's also a seahorse. Y'all, these look extra magical. I don't know when I got them. I don't know what year these came out. I don't know if they still have them. I feel like sometimes on KidRobot you can get like older dead stock for quite a while. Ew, are these gonna be like tiny? Maybe that's why there's 24 of them. Oh, no, I feel like this is normal size. You know what? Also, these are not called dunnies. I thought that these were all gonna be in the shapes of the little bunnies, but no, clearly this is not a little bunny. It's a girl with a jellyfish umbrella. Don't these kind of have like a steampunk feel? I mean, based on the literal first thing that I pulled out of the box. Doesn't this whole thing have a steampunk feel? Like literally no. No cards. Literally nothing else in the box except for the figure. So she is called Lucy Curious, and she's 2 out of every 24. So everyone say hello to Lucy Curious. Every time I hear Lucy, I of course think of Leanne's Lucy. But yeah, let's open up box number 2. Look, no ruining surprises for myself today. I can just go, oh no. Oh no, you guys, this one is busted. That's the surprise. Well, I guess it's not busted. I don't know, that kind of looks busted. What do you guys think? Busted? Not busted? She can still hold the umbrella, but like the little bit of glue that was tacking it together, doesn't she kind of look like she has an octopus arm now that I'm looking at it? You know what? I think I'm gonna keep count and open 12, but I kind of forgot like the last couple of times that we unboxed box, like an entire KidRobot case here, the duplicates were like right next to each other. I feel like that was like strategy I used to give y'all if y'all were like going to like in person in a store to buy these figures. I feel like I used to always tell you guys like, don't buy two that are right next to each other because then you may get like duplicate city. All right, you guys, we've gotten the 2 out of 24 Lucy's. So, oh my God, you guys, imagine my literal surprise when I looked down and saw this again, because this has been the last 2. And I was like, what's going on here? So this little one I keep accidentally dropping. I wonder if this is like some kind of sea urchin. This was the little prop that came with them. And is that a handbag? I don't, gosh dang, what's going on here? Okay, there we go. We made it work. What do you guys think that this little creature is? He has wheels. He has a dinosaur tail, maybe? He has, I thought that that was a sea urchin. Maybe it's not. This one's name is Sadie. Do you guys understand that? Is that some kind of ocean joke? I don't know, you guys. Box number 4. If only I can open it. There we go. Oh, okay, let's see. It's, ooh. This one has like, oh, this one has like a whole boat. You guys, I saw this one on the box and I wondered how it would work, and now we're going to find out. That literally looks like SpongeBob's boat car. I wonder if some of these glow in the dark. They kind of have that essence about them. So I'm trying to figure out where he sits. There we go. Look at that. Okay, I kind of like him. He looks a little bossy. That's kind of funny. Oh, all right, let's see. He also has, I guess this is meant to be an engine, and then this is of course meant to be a sail. We have the sail. I love the little skull. And we have, oh my gosh, look, it's not like a jellyfish, but it kind of looks like the jellyfish from SpongeBob, no? Okay, there's the little sail, and there's the little, I'm gonna call it an engine. I don't know. What do you guys think? Look at that one though. That's really, really cute. I kind of like how this one is like a whole like scene, you know? That really looks like it would glow in the dark. Okay, that one is 2 out of every 24, and it's called Lord Strange Pole Cart and Specimen. Well, all right. So I guess that's not an engine. It's a specimen. Look, now I want to start calling my car engine a specimen. I feel like that would be more fun. Okay, I don't feel like this one was like on the top row, but I don't feel like it was like directly originally next to another one that I've recently unboxed. So hopefully it won't be a duplicate. I didn't even look on the box yet to see like what the mystery. Oh my God. Okay, instant favorite. But let me give him his little lantern. Oh my God, you guys, this one is like probably one of my favorite figures I've ever opened in all of my years of collecting KidRobot. Look at him. He looks like a little boat captain, and his little lantern is an eyeball. This is incredibly magical. I love him. So he is Constable Graves, and he's 2 out of every 24. So there's one that's like mystery out of mystery. We kind of like don't know how rare that one is. And there's another one that's 1 out of every 48. Interesting. So there's only 2 that are like proper rare. How did I just say proper as if I'm British, you guys? Isn't that kind of like a British phrasing? I don't know. Oh, who is this? Oh, okay, I was kind of hoping to see him today, which this is so interesting. Now I kind of don't know what he is. I thought he was like a crab, but he has kind of these little like spikes on him, almost like a puffer fish. And he also has like tattoos. One of his little claws Is it a claw? You guys, he also has a fin. What is this creature? What are you? Let's read the box and figure it out. He's called Fugu? F-U-G-U. What does that mean? What does it mean? I don't know. We have opened 6 of them. I'm like grabbing from the bottom of the box here. All right, let's open box number 7 and see. Are we gonna see all of them today? Except for the super rare ones. Ooh, yay, okay. It's the other little skeleton guy. This is the one that I was like most excited for. On the side of the box, he's got a little wooden pipe here. Oh, there went his pipe. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice he had a little pipe, but look at that. He's in a little raincoat. You guys, does the Deadliest Catch still come on? I don't know why he's like giving the essence of Deadliest Catch, but that's what comes to mind. His name is Jonah Tempest, and he's 3 out of every 48. So let's unbox the next box and see what are we gonna get. Guys, I forgot like kind of how fun it is to like just super quick open a bunch of figures. Ew, you guys. It's a turtle. It's a coffin turtle. It's a coffin top hat turtle. And it also looks like he has barnacles. And the back of the coffin says 1789. Anybody know what happened that year? What was up? Was anybody here at that time? 17 Salem coffin back. Well, all right. 1789. Is that a very important Salem date? I don't know. I wasn't there. I do like to ask, was anybody there? As if we have any like vampires in the audience. Let me know if we do. That would be fun. Entertainment for vampires. That's what I should call my channel. That would be... Oh, it's an octopi. And he has, it kind of looks like bow tie macaroni. I kind of can't tell if he's meant to have a mustache or if that's a bow tie. So y'all, I wish there was still polls on YouTube. Ooh, look, maybe I should make like a random poll on the community tab and have you guys vote. Is it a mustache? Is it a bow tie? So this is Automapus, 2 out of every 24. So we'll probably be seeing him again. I just grabbed our last 3 boxes, if I can count. We had 3 boxes still to open, but I could be entirely wrong. What is this one? Oh, yay, it's the seahorse. I don't know why he's like giving me like Quiznos vibe. Does anybody remember Quiznos? I feel like they used to have that like art that I particularly associated with the 90s. I have no idea what the style was called, but it was like kind of like this. I don't know. His name is Skipper, and he's 3 out of every 24, so we very well might be seeing him again. Is there a chance that the last 2 we have won't be duplicates? It looks like we've seen a lot of them. All right, you guys. Oh, what's next? Oh, it's another new one, and it's an odd one. Look at this. I kind of don't remember seeing him on the box, so maybe he is the extraordinarily rare one. That he's like a diver, a deep sea diver. He is on the box. His name is Heavy Footer, and he is 3 out of every 24. All right, you guys, last box, and we are still missing at least 2 of the ones we can see, and 2 of the ones that are much more rare. So let's see. It feels different, and yet it's the same. Guys, last one is a duplicate of this. Fugu, I think was his name. Anybody know what that means? Leave me a comment in the comments below if you do. Well, you guys, short and sweet today, which is rare for me. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys. Bye!